How to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. So the process is very easy, you just have to follow me step by step and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. So first you have to open your Instagram and then you have to go to this messages section and open any chat that you want to turn off the vanish mode. You can see there's this vanish mode turned on this chat. Now to turn it off, you have to hold your screen from the middle and drag it upwards. Once you reach upwards, you have to release to turn off the vanish mode. So that's how you turn off vanish mode on your Instagram. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.